What's going on, Mixonites? I am Nathen Mixon with MixonFitness.com, and today we're going to do a fat melting workout. It's going to be a cardio hit training too, so it's going to be 45 minutes on the clock. You're going to have 15 seconds to rest. Now, with that being said, you're going to have 2 minutes to rest in between this whole entire circuit. So grab your water. I'll put a timestamp in there for you to start over if you need to, and let's get started. Oh, before I go, let's subscribe to my channel. Turn on and push notifications so you don't miss next week's workout. And yeah, now let's get started. Getting the pants kind of tight right there. Anyway, that's gonna work the quads, all right? Working the core, working the chest. All right, let's go down to the dips this time. So that's good for your thoracic lumbar, also good for your hamstrings, all right? Also good for your arms, all right? We're gonna do some crisscross burpees next. Back to burpees. Had to get one going in from there. Anyway, that was good for twisting your mind up. Anyway, let's do some side lunges. Work that core a little bit. That one right there is fat, all right? Let's even it out by doing the other side. really good for that them side hips right there, right? Alright, so take a breath, drink water if you need to. Alright, we're gonna do a squat and toe touch. Let's go. I know you hate me right now, but that's okay though. You're gonna love me later. Anyway, that's good for the build of the cardio. We're gonna take it down to the ground, get that core a little bit. Core tight, shoulders burning, triceps burning. We getting it in, guys. You're losing that weight. Stay with it, all right? All right, so there you have it. You're gonna continue this 4 more times. So give yourself at least 2 minutes. 2 minutes of rest. Drink your water. You know, stretch out what you need to stretch out. Hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Turn your push notifications. Let's lose this weight, all right? You got nothing but time on your hands, all right? 8 minutes, that's all we did, okay? Catch the next one. Let me go catch my breath. I'm gonna start my round 2. Actually, this will be round 3 now. Peace.